Good evening friends, welcome back to my channel Breakout Trading. Please watch the video fully so that you will not be missing any valuable content from the video. In today's video we are going to see how to make consistent profit, okay, and how consistent profits are made in March month too. That too not 1000, 2000 like that. Each month I am posting 1 lakh and above profits. So these trades are based on pure price action and no indicators have been used. Okay, let's see what trades I have taken. The first trade I have taken in March series is Ashok Leyland. Actually it has formed a triangular pattern. Okay, so on 9th of March it has given a breakout from the pattern. Okay, this is the support and it has given a breakout. The trade entry point would be below the low of this candle, that is below 121. Okay, and the next day it is again got rejected from the support line, so I took the entry below low of 10th March, that is around 125. I taken the trade. Okay, so I booked around 115 on 18th of March. So the holding period was around 3 to 4 days. So I booked 10 points in Ashok Leyland. The lot size is 9,000. So the profit will be 90,000 for this trade. Okay, and the next one was Bank Nifty. I actually didn't take this trade. I don't trade in Bank Nifty or Nifty because it's very volatile and it reacts very much for newses. I'm just showing this pattern. It has formed a triangular pattern, 1, 2, 3, and it has broke this support. So we could have taken entry around 34,100. Okay, it has went up to 32,600, so almost 1,500 points from Bank Nifty, but I didn't take this trade. And the next trade was BEL. It has trading with this line as support from the start of this year, and it has given a breakdown here, but I didn't take the trade on 19th March because I still need some confirmation. So on the 22nd of March it has clearly got rejected from the support line. Okay, and I took a trade on 23rd March. Okay, I took the trade at 127 and I booked at 117. Okay, in this the lot size is 7,600, so the profit was around 76,000. After brokerage it would be around 75,600 or 700, something like that. And the next trade I took was Havells India. Havells 2 was trading in a triangular pattern. It has given a breakout on 9th of March. Actually in the previous videos, what I would say is once support or resistance is broken, the price will retest the support or resistance. The same thing has happened here. The stock has come down, it has retested and again it has came down. So I took a trade on 13th of March below low of 1097. I took around 1100. I took the trade on 15th of March. I booked around 1020, so 80 points from this trade. Lot size is 1000. And next one was Motherson. Actually I didn't take this trade, just for knowledge I am sharing this. This was trading with this line as support and it has broken. We could have taken trade around 212. See, it is come up to 187. So 12 plus 13, 25 points. In this lot says I think it's around 6,000. I would have made 60,000, but I didn't take this trade. And REC Limited, I have taken entry yesterday. Okay, I have taken entry below this candle slope, that is below 134. I have taken entry at 134. I am still holding it. Let's see what happens with this trade. Here if you see, this stock was trading with this line as a support. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 times it has tested the support and it has given a breakout on 24th March. So this is how we trade support and resistance and breakout of patterns. So go through the patterns which I have given. You too can make a consistent profit in 6 digits monthly, but you cannot expect it to happen immediately. Everything needs experience and practice. I actually started trading from 2008 and I am making a consistent profit for the past 1 or 2 years only. Before that I was not making this much of money and I too was making losses. I tried different strategies, everything, indicators and all, but now I am in consistent profits. So believe in your analysis, respect your stop loss, so everything will be in a good way. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe and share it with others, so that others too will be get beneficial from the contents of the video. Thank you for your support, friends. Keep supporting, keep watching my videos, so that you can gain knowledge in intraday and swing trading. I will be posting intraday and swing trading strategies regularly in this channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.